Hi everyone, this is PTYX from the Komodo team. I am going to walk you through the Agama install for Windows. We can navigate to the KomodoPlatform.com website, and if you click Wallets, it will bring you here. You can click Download, and it will begin the download of the latest wallet. Once you extract the wallet, you can double-click the installer, and it will begin installing. I've already removed all the previous installations, so it will be like a clean install. We'll run through the installer and then all the basic steps of how to set up the wallet and just make basic functions in Agama on Windows. So you can select the options through the wizard. It will begin the installation, and also it will begin downloading the Zcash proving keys. This takes a few moments. Once the Zcash proving keys are finished, it will finalize the installation, and then we'll be able to launch the wallet. So as I mentioned, it's a pretty straightforward setup. The the thing that you have to watch out for is the wallet creation. You want to make sure that you create the seed correctly. You want to make sure that you back up the seed, and that when you log back into the wallet, that your seed is correct before you send any funds to it. Prepared a notepad to just take note of when we create the seed. You can also use a pen and paper. That's up to you. Perfect. So now it'll ask us if we want to launch Agama, and we will say yes. I prepared the notepad, as I mentioned, in order to create the wallet. So now we're presented with this page here, and if we click Activate Coin and we select Komodo, we're presented with either Lite or Native mode. We will use Lite mode in this instance. We activate Coin. Now here, we will either be able to paste a seed that we already have, or we will be able to create a new wallet. I will create a new wallet, and I will copy the seed. Now, I will use this seed in order to log into my wallet, but first I have to paste it in order to confirm that it is the same seed. And you will get a warning that tells you to back up your seed. Now that we're logged in, we get a blue warning that says, please write down your public address. This is our public address, and we will take this address down and paste it. Now this is where we will send funds. However, it's also telling us that we should log out and log back into Agama again to verify that we have the correct seed. So we will use the same steps. We'll copy our seed. And we re-verify that our addresses match. As you can see, the address is the same. And now we can fund our wallet. And that is exactly what I'll do. All right, so I've funded the wallet. We should see the transaction here in a few seconds. But I wanted to show you something else. Once you have created the seed, you can do two things. You can either use the Komodo wallet, or you can activate other coins as well. So there's a whole range of coins that were added to Agama, but you might not be able to see them currently. So what you need to do is that you will go to the settings tab, and from the settings tab you can click the app config tab and enable experimental features. You can toggle this and save the app configuration. And then we close Agama. I will reopen Agama and relaunch with my passphrase, and we should be able to see the experimental features and the rest of the coins. So once again, I log back into Komodo. My address looks okay. I actually see that there's a transaction pending already. And if I go to activate coin, I will see other coins now. Now we see Dash. And let's activate one of our asset chains, which is the Jumbler asset chain. It's a Komodo asset. And there you have it. Now we see that there's balance in our wallet, so I can actually make a transaction. And what I wanted to show you was the export tool, because once you have your seed, you can always access your funds. But most people don't know that your seed generates your private key. So if you go to the tool tab, now that you're able to see it after toggling the experimental features, if we click seed to key pair, here we can click the Komodo coin, and if we copy our seed again and we enter our seed and we click get WIF, our WIF key is our private key. And with this key, I will be able to spend funds in that address, in this address. So now we have two ways of accessing our funds. We have our seed and our private key that we can both get from Agama. If you want to export your private key, let's say for Dash, Dash has a different type of encoding, so the addresses look different than the Komodo address. So let's copy seed once again. And you'll be able to generate your private key and your public key from your seed for any of the coins that are available on BarterDex. On Agama. And on BarterDex as well, actually. Okay, so this is the basic functions of the wallet. I will make a sample transaction. Okay, perfect. And this is how you install and you run SPV on Windows. If you guys have any questions, visit support.komodoplatform.com and also join our Slack or our Telegram. Have a great day.